Hi, this is Bob Rakes with the AK Association, and I'm at NAB 2025, where I've just been talking to Video Clarity. Video Clarity make products to help broadcasters and professionals to understand the quality of the content they're creating. So they have a new AK video player system. It can also do video recording, although it only does one of those at a time, basically because of bandwidth on the storage. But they're launching that here. Their equipment is used to generate metrics for video quality, whether that's the Netflix metrics or PSNR, all the kind of things that broadcasters look for. They were telling us that the PSNR is often used by broadcasters just really as a safety check, to check that video is correctly arriving. They compare their source material with the content that's arriving and use the PSNR measurement to check whether they're getting what they hope to get. Because even a small change in a pixel, which might not be visible and may not make a lot of difference to the viewer, would tell them that something's going wrong in the transmission system. So they also have a more expensive AK in and AK out video recorder and player that they've been selling for a couple of years. We talked about that in our report last year. Bob Rakes for the AK Association at NAB 2025.